coming down.
Nos agarró la pinche tormenta de nieve. Pinche madre está pero.
It's out my front door. Look how much snow we got. First snowstorm of 2025.
The first winter storm of 2025 arrived with heavy snowfall, resulting in multiple snow emergencies, closures, and weather warnings in southwest Ohio. As of Monday afternoon, Butler, Montgomery and Warren counties had communities reporting at least 9 inches of snow. Then Warren County had one of the highest snow totals in the region, with Landen reporting 11 inches of snow and South Lebanon reporting 10 inches. Many cancellations were reported across the region on Monday and Tuesday, from schools, colleges, businesses and organizations. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in Ohio have experienced extreme weather in the last few days.
2025. I heard them streets out there, highways out there. It's crazy. Y'all be careful outside.
Nos agarró la pinche tormenta de nieve. Pinche madre está pero bien beautiful.
This is the worst snowstorm I've ever seen in Ohio.
بس په یامین کې راګیر راغلی واوره ده او د شپې څو بجې دي واوره.
Officials urge drivers to remain vigilant and careful when driving in the snow, and this condition can cause roads to refreeze when temperatures are low. The Preble County Sheriff's Office announced Tuesday morning that the snow emergency status in the area has been downgraded to level 1. This update is effective as of 8 a.m. A snow emergency is still in effect for most people after heavy snow hit southwest Ohio through this weekend.
It's a hard day's work.
Buenas tardes. Amanecimos la gente de Estados Unidos. Mi nombre es Miguelina Brown.
Nos agarró la pinche tormenta de nieve. Pinche madre está pero bien beautiful.
This is the worst snowstorm I've ever seen in Ohio.
Snowstorm of 2025. I heard them streets out there, highways out there. It's crazy. Y'all be careful outside.
بس په یامین کې راګیر راغلی واوره ده او د شپې څو بجې دي واوره.